This is a video of my restoration of my 1989 Mazda 323 Familia GTX. As you can see, some animal has made its life in my engine bay. I parked this here about 18 years ago after I imported the car from Japan in about 2003. I went through 2 gearboxes and put a third gearbox in it and parked it after I got a company car. Parked it at my parents' place, their farm, about 2007, and promptly forgot all about it. And clearly some animal has made its home in the engine bay. Bit of a shock when I opened the bonnet to see basically a home. So I'm clearing it out. This is a good idea, actually. Get the blower. Did a good job. I would have been there for ages cleaning it out by hand. Found a 10mm spanner. That's a win. There's a macadamia nut tree thing that's in the property. It's clearly whatever animal lived in this also loved macadamia nuts, because you can see me pulling out about 30 of the blasted things. I didn't realize that my Apple Watch actually zoomed in the the video on my iPhone. So these random zooms, there's no artistic merit here. This is just my watch. More bloody macadamia nuts. I'll zoom out. I'm not going to win any awards for this video. More zooming. I mean, there was a fair bit of the rats or whatever animal that lived here ate through those cables. Fair bit of hay, grass, and dirt. Yep, have to work out what that does. So my plan with this is to get it back on the road. I dearly love these little things, little 4-wheel drive turbo. There weren't too many imported into Australia. I've seen probably 5 in Queensland, where I'm at. It's a classy angle, isn't it? Look at that pipe just in the middle of the view. You can see the double overhead cam cover on the side there. Bit of corrosion on the top of the motor there. A little worried about, but it should come out with a bit of a pressure wash. I think that's my next step, is to pressure wash the engine bay. Open that thing for some reason. Don't know why. Yeah, that corrosion's a bit of a worry. But surprisingly, I expected it to be in worse condition, considering how much crap was through the bay. pulling out more hay and bloody macadamia nuts. Yeah, there was one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Trying to dig out another macadamia nut. Here's another one. If you look really carefully, there's another macadamia nut. Blasted thing. Yeah, still had oil in it. I parked this thing 18 years ago. Should be fine. Surely that'll crank over. So yeah, step one of quite a big project. Hopefully get it back on the road. Bit of corrosion, but that might wash out. I guess we'll find out. Stay tuned for step 2, day 2. This is about an hour to get rid of all that crap, but yeah, there's some stuff obviously needs some work. But yeah, it's a good little project. Bloody macadamia nut. Grrr. Cheers.